Kajingalang Kynhun Myntri ke Sarkar MDA-II kalau menjurban penyak cakmat ya ke Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Bill MSIPF Arja Arpsau kum kajing taulenti ban wanra ke Investment Meghalaya Authority. Haba pentip ya kernia sekilat patai kubor hadin kajingalang haka khatsan tarik rempang Arja Arpsau Myntri rang ba kajalla ukon rat kes sangma ulaang bakanik authority kan Bujli ya ke single window agency. Ulaang baka ni bil kan wanra ek rukom traikam ka babet bat renti na kabenta ka application haki tanat prepare.
Clear the bill for the Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Bill 2024. In a crux, this is basically going to lead to creation of authority, which we're calling the Investment Meghalaya Authority. And this will be authority that will now replace the single window agency that is there in the state. The reason it's being done is because the single window agency has been there for a long time and there are many areas which need to be improved. And hence now by coming up with this new bill, this is going to be a unified system where unified applications will be done through portals, and there will be all different departments will be part of this. And there'll be a tracking system to track in all the investments that or all the applications for investments that are coming to the state will be done. There's been different categorization based on the amount of investment, and so the smaller investments of below 1 crore will be cleared by a committee headed by Deputy Commissioner, and any investment between 1 and 10 crores will be cleared by a committee headed by the Chief Secretary, and any investment more than 10 crores will be sent to the IMA authority, which is headed by Chief Minister. And hence this will facilitate the easy application process, easy tracking process, and a system that is going to allow ease of doing business and improve the overall ease of doing business in the state of Meghalaya. So this particular bill was approved by the cabinet and this will be placed in the house for approval. Yes, the single window agency will be replaced by the Investment Meghalaya Agency, the IMA. It's digital, plus it is also, as I said, unifying the entire process. There are investments that come in today for education, for health, for tourism, for IT, for agriculture, not just for manufacturing. And hence, earlier, even the investments that are made for, say, something in, say, power sector, that would go to the single window. Somebody wanted to open up a bakery worth about 25 lakhs. They had to wait and it would come to the single window agency headed by Chief Minister. So hence all these different kind of complications are being now smoothened out, and this new authority is going to streamline the entire process, and digitization is, yes, a very important part of the process.